Yeah, hi John, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you, and it's fully working as it should be. Yeah, the fault was the laser. I couldn't get nothing out of it here, so it was pretty dead. The laser was dead basically. But yeah, it's all working now. As soon as I get payment for that, I'll get it shipped out for you. I'll just turn some volume up here. So yeah, it's all working as it should. You've got a 6-month warranty on it, on parts and labour, on the repair that I've actually done, which is only the laser that I've done. I've checked everything else for you, the cogs, etc. Little bit of dust in there, nothing to worry about though. Don't look like it's been in a pub or anything, or a no smoking pub anyway. Alright then, John, I hope you're happy with that, and thank you very much.